All right, Jay, let me see that ollie again. Good, dude. Okay, awesome. So next is going to be front 180. For front 180, focus on that front foot, hanging your toes. So stand on your board, hang your toes over with your front foot. Good. Okay. And then remember that wind up, bend down, wind up that upper body, swing that upper body, swing and then pop. Swing, then pop. Yeah, and if for a little extra help, you put your back foot goes more, balls of the feet go more on the corner, so that when you pop and push your board around in the 180 direction that you want to go.
Right. Little bit of a shove, I guess?
It's not something you have to do, but it helps.
Okay.
Hanging those toes, shoulders. Hey, that's it, that's it. Okay, again, half the effort. Don't try so hard. A little more relaxed. Try to keep the head centered over your board in between your feet. So for now, don't swing so hard. Let's go less. So almost land 90 degrees or a little bit past 90. Okay. But just try to focus on landing it. Good. That's it. Building some confidence, and then remember, when you land this, I want you to bend those knees to be safe. Okay? Really buckle down and land low. Good, that's it. That's it. Dude. Doing awesome.
It feels much better.
Nice and relaxed. Shoulders. Hey, there we go. Nice. Good. And the goal for today, I just want you to land one. That way you understand how it should feel.
Yeah.
Confidence goes up, and then you'll build consistency on your own and just do your homework and practice.
Yeah, for sure. I feel like coming down.
Good. It's exciting. Good. Okay, now we'll exaggerate this a little bit more with a little more shoulder spin. Still try not to pop so hard, okay? You got strong legs, dude. You're popping really high. So, not so much. Focus more on your spin, because the higher you go, the more your board will kind of float away.
Okay.
Good. And then that's where that whole bend down into your landing comes in. Because I don't want you to land stiff-legged and then shoot out.
Yeah.
Okay, try it again. Remember, focus on that front foot. Go a little slower. That's good. Good. That's it. Looking better. Feel yourself wind up and swing into your pop. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Almost like throwing a frisbee. Wind up those shoulders. That's better. See? And then as you get more and more comfortable, you can kind of finesse it around off the front truck by landing a little heavy on the nose and pivot it around.
Okay, that makes sense.
Couple more. I got this. You got it. Hey! Almost. Good! Dude. That's it. Good job, man. Try one more. One more. Go slow. Take your time. Good. See? And you're landing great. You're bending down into your landing for a nice landing. Now you're just going to work on that and practice it to get a better rotation and then more into your landing.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Dude, good job. So next, we're going to work our way into backside 180s, and that's your next one, right? So for backside 180, first what we're going to do is I want you to stand on your board, pretty much basic riding position, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Okay? Put your front foot up, kind of behind the front bolts a little bit more, and get your feet on a little more solid. I want your back foot on a little more solid too, equal, because you're going to hop and slide into your spin. You're not going to pop this. You're just going to hop and slide on 180.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So look,
my back or front truck more?
Off of your back truck. So you treat it, you're gonna almost lift up into a manual. Yes, almost lift up into a manual and then lean your head over your toes and then slide it.
Okay.
So probably shouldn't have filmed myself, but take your time. Take your time. Yeah, here. Thank you. So, like I said, I'm gonna set my feet matching. That way I can dig in on my toes and wind up my shoulders. Start to lean in, and then I hop and transfer my energy and body weight to my front foot. So as I spin, wind up my body, catch to the front foot, and then back to equal.
Got it.
Okay? Land front foot first, then back to equal.
All right.
All right. Remember, try to get those feet nice and spread out for better balance. Yeah, exactly. And then you're hopping, transferring weight to your front foot. Don't let your head pass your front foot, but your head is going to be like balancing on one foot where your head goes directly over that foot.
Okay. All right.
Let it slide around and then recenter your head in between your feet.
Okay.
Nice and gentle.
When you said front foot, that's my first front foot or my...
No, your front foot, lead foot.
My lead foot right now. Okay.
Yep. Use your shoulders, wind up your shoulders. Perfect, perfect. Hey, dude. Dude, you're natural. Hey, next thing with this now is remember, bend down, tuck down for that low center of gravity so you can catch your balance when you ride away.
All right.
Remember, your best balance is going to be like that martial arts stance where your knees are bent and you're down low, like yeah, like wrestling stance.
Okay.
Hey, almost, almost. Good. Good. Okay. Now, if it feels a little harder, a little more difficult,
yeah,
give it a little more hop.
Okay.
And remember, you can use your toe of your back foot,
yeah,
the ball of your foot to pull your skateboard around.
Okay.
Remember, head in. Hey! Taking your time, leaning that head in. Oh, almost, that was the one. Very good. How about this? Let's do it on the flat right here. It'll be easier if we do it right here.
Okay.
I bet you get it first try right here on this spot. Take your time, wind up your shoulders, remember, swing, lean in. Oh, there you go, dude.
Nice.
Hey, awesome.
So just like the front 180, like you know how we put it on this side of the pocket?
Yeah.
Did you want it more on the...
For now, just for your slides, put more foot on so that you can help pull your skateboard around when you slide it. But when you do your back 180, when you pop into it,
Yeah.
the whole head motion is pretty much the same thing, except your back foot will be on the tip of the tail like an ollie.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
But it still helps for your back 180 to rotate around your front foot.
All right.
Let's do another slide and then we'll try to pop it.
Okay.
Good, good, good. Yep. Now let's go a little faster and try it again. Good. Way to catch yourself. And then half cab turn out, gentle. And then there you go. Yep. And then you can start to combine those two together.
Okay.
So if you're losing balance, you're leaning over your toes a little too much. Okay. Now you can start to not really lean over your toes so much and focus more on your hop and pulling with the balls of your back foot. Yep. So again, spinning around my front foot, but I'm up on the toes and I'm pulling my skateboard around in that back corner pocket right here. Back corner pocket and pulling my skateboard. Big slow motion hop and pull it. Hey, that was awesome. That was the best one yet. That's it, dude. So good. Awesome. All right, now you want to try to pop into this a little bit?
All right.
So let's not go full 180. Let's go a 90, okay? And remember, you're trying to rotate around your front foot, okay? Yep. So as you popped right there, you feel yourself start to go backwards? Yep. Lean in over those toes a little more. Really lean in as you pop. Almost. Back 180s are very different compared to front 180s. Remember, gentle pop. Good.
So what's your mentality on like where your head is in space when you're doing a back 180?
What I'm thinking about, or where it is actually on my body when I'm like leaning?
Where it is on your body, like, or relative to the board. Like, do you feel
Okay.
like it's more on your toes, or like?
When I
Do you
pop,
move it?
I'm centered with my head in between my feet.
Okay.
Then I pop off and I start to lean over my toes.
Okay.
Then I rotate around my front foot.
Okay.
That's a tricky thing, and that's more of when you get better at it, you really feel that rotation around your front foot.
Okay.
So guys who do a back 180 over big stuff, typically they'll ollie over it and then kind of turn.
Okay.
Or what they do is they pop and they get halfway. So, and that's something I like to do if it's a really big one.
Okay.
I'll pop halfway to go 90 degrees over, because that's the easiest kick out.
Okay.
Because you can just kick straight behind you,
Yeah.
and your board will go back behind you so you don't land back on it.
That makes sense.
So you keep good control for your kick out if needed. And then ultimately you do 90 degrees up to the highest point, and then as you're coming back down, the extra 90, and then you're at 180. Woo! Remember, leaning in. Hey, that was fantastic right there. Ah, very good. Remember, feet. Get those feet on there good. That's it. That's better. Take your time, get those feet set. Remember, leaning in. Almost. Nice late spin. Remember, leaning in. Wind up the shoulders, lean in. Hey! Hey! Hell yeah! That was fantastic. Dude, I can't believe you learned that fast. That's insane.
I didn't think I that fast.
You're like, you know what? You're like, I don't even know what happened.
I don't.